The phrase other half is commonly used to refer to a person's romantic partner, such as a spouse, boyfriend, or girlfriend. It suggests that two individuals together form a complete whole. When someone says, "I'll bring my other half," they are speaking affectionately about the person with whom they share a close emotional bond. The expression emphasizes unity, partnership, and deep connection. At its core, the phrase reflects the idea that humans often seek companionship. Calling someone your other half implies that life feels more balanced or meaningful with that person present. It conveys intimacy and emotional closeness, suggesting that the relationship is not casual but central to one's identity and daily experience. The language carries warmth and a sense of belonging. The concept can be traced back to ancient philosophical ideas. In Greek philosophy, particularly in Plato's Symposium, there is a myth that humans were once whole beings split into two, forever searching for their missing part. Although symbolic, this story echoes in the modern use of other half. It captures the longing for connection and the belief that love brings completeness. In everyday conversation, the phrase is often used informally and affectionately. It can express pride and admiration, as when someone introduces their partner at a social gathering. However, it also reflects cultural assumptions about relationships. By describing a partner as one's other half, it suggests that being single might mean being incomplete, a notion that not everyone agrees with. Some people embrace the phrase wholeheartedly, seeing it as a poetic way to describe partnership. Others prefer language that emphasizes individuality within relationships. They argue that healthy relationships involve two whole individuals choosing to share their lives, rather than two incomplete halves merging. This perspective highlights independence while still valuing connection. Beyond romantic relationships, the term can also symbolize teamwork and mutual support. In business partnerships or close friendships, individuals may jokingly refer to each other as the other half, emphasizing how well they complement one another. In this broader sense, the phrase underscores cooperation and shared purpose. In conclusion, other half is an affectionate expression that symbolizes deep partnership and emotional unity, reflecting humanity's enduring desire for connection and belonging. While it poetically suggests that love completes us, it also invites reflection on the balance between togetherness and individuality, reminding us that meaningful relationships thrive when two strong individuals choose to stand side by side.